Yo, what's good? It's your boy 730 G Weezy back with another YouTube tutorial. Now, before we get into it, if you guys see my videos, you follow me, I just want you to subscribe, hit that bell, get notified when any videos ever come up. Today we're going to be doing my boy Nolan came in. He is a military first responder. I usually do a discount for them, so there's a little something for you guys to do. You guys have some military people that come in, give them a discount, first responders. Today we'll be using all JRL products, the 1040s, the 2020Ts. Let's get right into it. We're going to be doing a skin fade, a higher skin fade, not cutting too much off the top. Let's get into this. So as you guys saw, when I first broke out, I had the JRL 1040s, made that first guideline. Now I'm just coming right above that with my 2020Ts, just cleaning everything up, cleaning up that canvas, getting everything nice, ready to do what we do. As you can see, I got the 2020Ts. Like I said, everyone, we're just cleaning up the canvas right now, just getting it all nice, taking everything out at the bottom, all that bulk, taking it right out, removing it. Don't need it, no point of it. Let's get it out. Now, for your viewing pleasure, I sped it up a little bit so you guys don't have to sit here for 20 minutes, 25 minutes, however long this video is to see what our final product is. But then again, this is my boy Nolan. Nolan is a first responder, military. Now right here, we going in with my Babyliss shaver, just cleaning up everything. Now we're not going as high as the 2020Ts, you know, just cleaning in, flicking out, giving that C-scoop motion, just flicking that right in, coming up and down, making sure there's no line, just making sure everything's nice and clean, getting that stuff right out there. All you newer barbers out there, or barbers in general, if you guys are watching these and you guys find something and you guys are having a problem with something, you can comment below and I'll make sure that I'm able to do a video for you guys. You know, I'm all about brotherhood. You know, you guys need help out there. I don't mind putting out a video, helping anyone out. So if there's a video you guys want to see of a certain haircut, comment below. You also could follow me on Instagram at 730 G Weezy, GWEEZY. But let's get back to this video right now. We're just cleaning everything up with the shaver, making sure that's all clean. All right, now I got my 1040s again. I'll actually open up my blade, not going into the parietal ridge. I'm still coming straight up. I'm just creating a guideline, another guideline with my blade open on my 1040s. I know a lot of you guys probably don't use these, the 1040s. These things are off the hook, man. These things cut so smooth. All right, after I make that, I got my one, and I'll open it up and I'll actually create my other line, my next guideline into the parietal ridge, just coming straight up. Like I said, it's a higher fade, so I'm coming into the parietal ridge a little bit, not too much, not following the curve hard, but going into it a little bit. All right, after my one clip is open, I'll close it and I'll start fading out that line. You know, as you can see, it's all coming together a little bit at a time, you know. After that, I'll take my clip off, my guard, and now I got my open, just hitting up any dark spots, cleaning that all up, just making sure everything's all blended nice. Right here, I got my two guard. I'm coming up into the parietal ridge a little bit, just kind of getting into that, getting into the top. He wasn't really sure what he wanted to do with his top yet, so we kind of left it longer, and we'll figure that out later. But I had my two on, Just getting into that, blending into that. Now we'll do the same thing around the back. Got my one guard on. I'm opening that up, just creating a guideline. Put my 2 on, hit up in that parietal ridge area, just cleaning all that stuff up, you know, get all that hair out, get all that bulk out, because we're gonna start fading right underneath that. Got my 1 guard on. Now I'll start working my way down. And guys, as I'm working down, so a lot of times I'll fade different, you know. Sometimes I'll, depending on the haircut, but on this one, I made my guideline at the bottom. Then I went up, created my 1 open. Then I put my 2, and now I'm actually just fading right down on it. So as I'm fading down, I'm just going back and forth, seeing some dark spots, just using the corners of my blade, just knocking that out. You know, you guys got to be patient. Be patient with your haircuts. Sometimes you got to step back, look at what you're doing. Here we go. I got no guard on. I just open it up. Now I'm just flicking at that line, just cleaning up any dark spots I see. I'll just use my corners. I'll just start picking at things, any dark spots I see. Like I said, sometimes I'll step back and I'll look at my haircut and I'll see what I need to hit. Sometimes a little distant helps you out. The mirror helps out a lot. A lot of times if you have a camera, you could look in your camera and you could start seeing spots that your naked eye wouldn't see. So, you know, it's about using everything around you. You know, so right here, we worked on the side again. Now I got the no guard on. I just opened it up. I just created a guideline. Now I got my 1, I opened my 1 up. Now I'm just coming right up into that parietal ridge, just straight up. Now I got my 2, switched over to the 2, just hitting up into that parietal ridge. And like I said, right now, we're not really sure what I'm gonna do with the top yet, so we're just cleaning this up, making sure everything's nice. Drop it down to the 1 guard, got the 1 guard on, just cleaning up any dark spots, just going back and forth. I'm going in every direction, just making sure I'm getting out as many dark spots as I can. Right after this, like I said, we're fading up then fading down. So I hit my 2, this is my 1 open. I'll switch over to my 16th soon, then I'll start picking. I'll start cleaning up all the dark spots. There you go, I got my 16th on. Now I start picking at my dark spots. Back and forth, just using my corners, just cleaning up anything that I see. Just detailing now, just detailing my fade. It's all about the detail. I usually detail with my 16th guard, open, close, and then I'll also detail with no guard on, my open blade. You know, after a while, you'll just know how your clippers work and you'll figure it out, you know. So right now, just cleaning that up. Got no guard on, opened up. Using the corners of my teeth, just hitting all the dark spots. Now I got my 2020 tees, detailing with them, just using the corner teeth of my blade, just hitting the dark spots with that. Back and forth, cleaning it up, detailing, detail, people. That's what this fade's all about, detailing. Now Nolan's not really too big into enhancements or anything, so I just kind of clean it up, keep it natural. Just hit that natural guy, just cleaning up the natural line. Most of the time, my clients, I don't usually give them enhancements unless they ask for them or I know they're into that. So we try to keep them as fresh as possible, give the customers what they want, you know. But as I start spinning the chair, I'll start working my way to the other side. I'm just detailing, just getting rid of some dark spots with my 2020 tees. Love these. I highly suggest these clippers if anyone's looking for some trimmers. These trimmers are it, man. These things hit. My boy S.Blends, if you guys don't know, check him out. He actually has a tutorial on how to zero gap these. It's actually extremely helpful. Suggest you guys go follow him on subscribe to his page. He has some good content too. He's an amazing barber. So we'll just go back and forth. We're cleaning up this fade, just detailing everything with my 2020 tees, hitting them dark spots. You know, and like I said, Nolan's not really too big into enhancements and stuff, so we're just kind of keeping it natural, just hitting that line a little bit just to clean it up. But you see, I'll start detailing. As I'm detailing, I'll take out whatever clippers I need for the job. You know, I had my 2020 tees out, but I switched over my 1040. So like I said, you can see me, I'm just using the corners of my teeth. I'm not using the full blade. Just hitting any dark spots I see. You know, a lot of times the dark spots, I like that parietal ridge area. I'll throw my 16th guard on and I'll just start using that sideways, just hitting it real, like one tooth. And like I said, he's not too big into enhancements or anything, so just clean up that line. Take the straight blade out, just so everything's clean. And here's another tip for you barbers. When you guys use your shaver, always fold down the ear and get behind the ear, because sometimes the shaver doesn't hit all the hairs behind there. So I always fold down the ear, make sure I hit all the loose baby hairs and stragglers that the shaver never hit. So right here I got my 3 guard on, just hitting that 3 now. And when I go over the top of the head, I like to go in every direction, especially that front area where the cowlick is. You'll start seeing that hair grows in all different directions. So I tend to go in every direction. I'll go back, then I'll go sideways. I'll go every which way. I'll even step back, look into it, make sure that I don't see any stragglers, loose hairs standing straight up. It kind of has that weird cowlick in the front. It's a big swirl. You know, so we'll clean that up. Make sure you guys brush. I always use my clip, then I'll brush, clipper, then brush, clipper, then brush. You know, sometimes I see them newer barbers, they're always swiping at the head without a brush in their hand. I'm always thinking in my head, man, they must get some crazy hair splinters stuck in their hands. You know, I was never into that. I always had, that's like the first thing someone always told me, always keep a brush or a comb in your hand. Always swipe with the brush or comb. You know, always keep something in your hand. Now, like I said, Nolan's not really into enhancements or anything, so we just try to keep the front as natural as you can. I just kind of clean it up. Any loose hairs, just straighten it out a little bit. And tilt the head back, hit that line, coming straight up with my straight blade, coming against, so it leaves that line nice and crispy. As his head's tilted back, I'll hit underneath the eyebrows as well. You know, and that's really it, man. So if any of you guys that are watching this want to see any videos, just let me know in the comments. I'll drop whatever videos you guys want. I'm here for you guys. Anything I can help, any way I can help, just ask, you know, just let me know. When I'm done with clients, I always undo the cape, and I'll just hit with the straight blade all that loose hair on his neck. Just make sure everything's nice and clean. You know, but like I said, if you guys want to see any videos, subscribe to this, hit that button, hit the bell, be notified when I'm dropping something new. And like I said, if you guys need to know anything, you guys want to see a specific video, hit me up. comment below, message me. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. On IG, I'm 730GWeezy, GWEEZY. This is my boy Nolan. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys following me, watching my videos. I can't wait to come out with more for you guys.